61A Lecture Number 6. Announcements. The HOG project is due Friday, but think of it as due Thursday and try to get it done then, and you'll get an early submission bonus point. If that doesn't work out, you don't get the bonus point, but you'll still finish on time and get full credit for the project if you submit it on Friday. Only you or your partner needs to submit, then go to okpi.org to mark the other person so that you both get credit. Homework 2 is really short, just enough to help you prepare for the midterm. It's due on Thursday. And if you've been following along with lecture, then hopefully it won't take you very much time at all. Midterm 1 is at 8 p.m. on Monday. It will be held in several rooms across campus. We will assign you a seat, and seat assignments will happen on Sunday. If you think you need a special seat, such as a left-handed desk, or you want to take an exam remotely because you don't actually reside in Berkeley, or if you have a conflict with another course and therefore would like to request an alternate time, please fill out this form by Friday. But it's much better if you fill it out now so that we actually can respond to your request. In general, anyone's welcome to request a seat. We'll do our best to accommodate. Remote exams are only for students who cannot come to campus. Please explain why when you fill out the form. And alternate times are only for people who have a direct conflict due to another course. If you have a club event, skip it and come to the midterm. The exam covers content through last lecture. This lecture is mostly just an extended example and some tips. And Friday's lecture will be review. Next Monday, we won't have lecture at all. Instead, you just have a midterm. We will provide scratch paper and the Midterm 1 study guide. The study guide is a front and back sheet of paper with all the important slides from the course and includes the text of all the evaluation and execution rules for different kinds of statements, some key examples, and some example environment diagrams so that you know what they're supposed to look like. This study guide is not useful to you unless you actually study from it. So please read it in advance, and then it will probably be more helpful when you take your exam. So you will have access to this and scratch paper and the exam itself, and you're welcome to bring one two-sided sheet of notes that you create yourself. I'd recommend adding some examples there that you have found particularly instructive, since the study guide includes all of the facts that you need to know. We'll post on Piazza with some more details about the logistics of the exam, but those are all the key ones. And I would strongly urge you to prepare by completing the work for the course, primarily. Going to lab and discussion, finishing the homeworks, and the project will get you most of the way there. After that, it's not a bad idea to take a practice exam, and I would recommend in particular the Fall 2019 exam because it covers the same topics as the Fall 2021 exam and has a similar format. Okay, today's lecture, like I said, is mostly an example, but it's a fun one, so I hope you enjoy it.